Rhinoceros is a Greek word. Black rhinos have a prehensile, meaning hooked lip for pulling leaves off branches. Rhinos run on their toes. There are 9 species of hammerhead shark in the world. Hammerheads can use their heads to aid in hunting. Hammerheads are unaffected by stingray barbs. Pufferfish are known as fugu in Japan. Fugu are an expensive delicacy, prepared only by trained fugu chefs. Clownfish thrive in warm waters, specifically in the Red Sea and Pacific Oceans. They prefer sheltered reefs or lagoons as their habitat. An octopus can change color quickly, depending on its surroundings or its mood. The world population of beluga whales is estimated to be about 60,000 to 80,000. Male seahorses carry the baby during reproduction. Seahorses are monogamous. Seahorses are terrible swimmers. Whales have loud, deep voices and can communicate with other whales hundreds of miles away. The walrus is a large mammal that lives in cold Arctic seas of Europe, Asia, and North America. It is closely related to the seals. Tentacles. A squid has 2 tentacles that are longer than its arms. Bag-like body. The squid's vital organs are protected by a muscly bag called the mantle. Penguins are excellent swimmers and divers. They can swim faster than 25 miles, 40 kilometers per hour. Killer whales, also called orcas, are apex predators, meaning they are at the top of their food chain. They feed on fish and squid like other odontocetes. Alligators have long, round snouts and are dark green or black. They can be 13 feet long and up to 800 pounds. They live in freshwater areas like ponds, marshes. An octopus can change color quickly depending on its surroundings or its mood. It can be gray, brown, pink, blue, green. Green sea turtles are what they eat. Sea turtles lay their eggs in a nest. They dig in the sand with their rear flippers. Pigs don't sweat. Sweat like a pig? Pigs are very clean animals. Pigs are smarter than dogs. The blue tang has a royal blue body, yellow tail, and black palate design. It's an oval-shaped fish with a hard beak-like mouth that scrapes algae from rocks. Lobsters have compound eyes on movable stalks, 2 pairs of long antennae, and several pairs of swimming legs, swimmerets, on the elongated abdomen. Sharks have a muscular upturned tail and pointed fins. Sharks normally have tough gray skin with tooth-like scales. They also may be cream, yellow, brown, bronze, blue, or nearly black in color. Crabs are related to insects and spiders, but they have more legs than their creepy, crawly cousins. Crabs have 10 legs, including their walking legs and their claws. Nearly all wild lions live in Africa, but one small population exists elsewhere. Male lions can weigh 30 stone. They start off spotty. Clownfish thrive in warm waters, specifically in the Red Sea and Pacific Oceans. They prefer sheltered reefs or lagoons as their habitat, often seeking refuge among the tentacles of sea anemones. Green sea turtles are what they eat. Sea turtles lay their eggs in a nest. They dig in the sand with their rear flippers. Fish are vertebrates. Vertebrates have backbones that live in water. They breathe using special organs called gills. Blue marlin. Narwhal live up to 50 years. Narwhal change color with age.